This is part 7 of our D1 plus M15 Forex Strategy series. If you've watched the previous parts, you already understand. Direction from D1, waiting for MIS on M15, entering with pending orders, letting price come to structure. But today I'm going to show you the missing layer, the layer that turns this from a setup into a long-term profitable system, because entries alone don't build accounts. Management does. Even when traders follow structure, they still fail because they risk too much. They move stop losses emotionally. They close winners too early. They abandon the strategy after 3 losses. Let me say something clearly. No strategy works without emotional control. This D1 plus M15 method is powerful, but only if you execute it like a professional. Here is the first rule in part 7. Never risk more than 1 to 2% per trade. Why? Because this strategy is built on consistency over months. You are not trying to double your account in 1 week. You are building stability, discipline, predictability. If you risk too much, one emotional week destroys everything. Professionals survive first, then they scale. In this strategy, stop loss must be placed at structure, not random pips, not tight stop to maximize lot size. If buying, SL goes below the structural low. If selling, SL goes above structural high. Why? Because if structure breaks, the idea is invalid. Losses are not personal, they are part of the business. This is where most traders sabotage themselves. Price goes into profit. They panic. They close. But remember what we discussed in previous parts. Patience is a professional skill. When you follow D1 direction and M15 structure, your edge comes from allowing expansion. Big moves pay for small losses. One clean expansion move can cover 3 or 4 losing trades. That's the math. Here's something powerful. Use this strategy on one pair for at least 3 to 6 months. Why? Because mastery beats variety. When you focus on one pair, you understand its behavior, you understand its volatility, you understand its rhythm. Jumping between 10 pairs destroys consistency. Depth beats distraction. Your daily routine should look like this. 1. Check D1 direction. 2. Drop to M15. 3. Wait for MIS. 4. Wait for retracement. 5. Place pending order. 6. Walk away. That's it. No emotional monitoring. No staring at candles for hours. This strategy is designed to free you from screen addiction. You must understand something. Trading success is boring. It looks like waiting, not clicking, not forcing trades. Excitement destroys accounts. Structure builds them. This system works because it removes emotion from execution. If you've made it to part 7, you're serious. Now it's time to do the hardest thing in trading. Be consistent. Apply this for 6 months. Track your trades, refine your execution. And remember, the market rewards discipline, not speed, not ego, not excitement. If this series is helping you, like this video, share it with another trader, subscribe for part 8, and check the description for the tools and resources I use to simplify this entire process. We're building traders here, not gamblers. I'll see you in part 8.